Moving on to term settings. These are used for creating terms and conditions regarding three categories associated with order delivery management, namely COD transfer terms, public terms, and public prohibits. In order to add a new set of terms, click the plus button located in the top right corner of the page. Next, you need to select the type of terms by clicking Term Settings Type and picking one from the drop-down menu. Public terms may be referred to as general terms. Public prohibits lists limitation for delivery of certain contents. And finally, COD terms describes a set of rules regarding delivery fee settlement. Once one option is selected, you need to provide a name for a new set of terms. For example, name set1. Step 2 is to select one language from the drop-down menu you wish the new set of terms to be displayed in. Step 3. Choose whether the set of terms should be required to familiarize oneself with or not by clicking Required Terms field and selecting Yes or No. If Yes is selected, terms and conditions are going to be mandated to be familiarized with. If No is selected, familiarization with terms and conditions is not required. Step 4. Choose the visibility of the new set by clicking Visible and selecting Yes or No. Next, you need to create a description for the new set of terms by pasting in the text here in the box. Finally, you need to press Save located in the bottom right corner of the page to save changes and add a new set of terms to the system.